Easy. Whoa. Whoa. Follow me now.
It was life was good. It's not a rich community, or I didn't grow up in one of them kind of family, but I'm happy that I was born and raised that way. And I think the values that my parents and my community at large kind of put out that is what is keeping me today and keeping me busy and trying to stay in the right lane and do the right thing. I give thanks and praise. Stepney is somewhere that if I want to relax my mind and just go back to the roots and to keep connected to the roots, that's where I have to go back to. And I love my family. Most of my family is there, so now I always have to go back home. It's beautiful. My community is like a family community. It's somewhere that no matter how far I go in the world, I can't forget. Yeah, I remember that clearly. I go to church. I'm a church boy growing up. So I remember the first time performing was at my church, Stepney Tabernacle Church. I was humming the lines of Amazing Grace, Sanchez version inside of the church. That was the first time, singing, and then from there, it was just a non-stop thing for me. I didn't see myself, I didn't see a music career at that age. I just saw it as fun, and people said that I have a talent. And even back then I didn't take it serious. It was probably in high school that I started taking it serious.
We coulda rise and bust it too, but I got to mud funeral, gonna see my friends.
It's hard to decide. We have between 14 and 16 songs that are gonna be on the album. I see every one of them as just like our parents would look at a child. None is more special. I don't have none that I can say this one is more special than this one. Because all of them is from the heart, and it would be unfair to judge one and say this is the best. As I say, I allow the people to decide, which one is their favorite or the best one. But I made an album.
Now it's together.
I don't want anybody to take away one and say especially this third album.
Take it now, hold on, no girl forget them love. No girl can say me ever did force down on them forget them love.